let's see what's in a box. The purpose of these cards are to help us develop emotional maturity. And inside the box there's 144 cards with one word for a feeling on every card. Quite a few, 144 different ones, to help you develop vocabulary. 20 of the backside of the card, 20 of the backsides has instructions or suggestions of how to use the cards for different purposes, to embody emotions or to explore emotions, or explore words and the meaning we give to them. So this is what is inside of a box. And inside of the lid there's also a reminder of these three questions. First, to ask yourself, what is the energy level you're experiencing now? And what is the comfort level? And only after those two questions you ask yourself, what word matches your experience? And practicing these three steps will help you become more aware of words that match your experience. And people, including yourself, will feel more genuine. You will have a more genuine experience rather than just saying words from a list. So this is what's in the box.